One of the most significant times in LeBron James' career is shown in the Nike LeBron 23 out for redemption. As he begins his 23rd NBA season, LeBron is once more dealing with serious concerns about his future and how many more outstanding games he has left. Nike has taken this opportunity to reflect on some of the turning points that helped LeBron become a worldwide celebrity. After the devastating 2004 defeat, LeBron and the Redeem team brought the United States back to Olympic gold medal glory in 2008, which is when this colorway originated. Beijing is instantly evoked by the upper's combination of crisp university red and midnight navy. The LeBron 23 features a slight nod to the Zoom Soldier 2 era while maintaining the line's iconic split texture construction. Its carved design patterns allude to the excitement of those sneakers, without exactly copying the tattoo-inspired motifs LeBron wore at the Olympics. The end product is contemporary while incorporating just enough historical elements to give the shoe some emotional weight.